Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazingly well and keeping safe. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can reuse some old cardboard rolls lying around in your house to make these quirky, fun and extremely eye-catchy pen holders. And I think you should definitely give this a try and these will look really amazing on your workstations. So without a further ado, let's get started.
To start off, I'm going to map out the face of my character on the cardboard roll that I have using a pencil, since it gives me a blueprint of where the clay needs to go. Now once I've finished drawing both the faces on the rolls, I'll take a small amount of mountboard piece on which I'll draw the nose for both my characters and cut those using a scissor. Now using a glue gun, I'm going to paste these pieces on the rolls where I've marked the nose. Before I start modeling this, I'm going to close the bottom part of the rolls by cutting out two circles from a piece of mountboard. Once done, follow along the video to see how I add volume to the face using clay. One quick tip that is going to help you a lot while modeling is always use lots of glue to shape the clay. What happens when you use glue is the clay becomes even softer and gets that velvety texture, and modeling the clay according to your desired shape becomes a lot easier. Now this part is up to you. You can color this using any sort of acrylic colors or just go with the spray paint like I did. I wanted this to have that metal feel, hence went with that one metallic shade of spray paint and gave this an even coat. Lastly, to add some depth, I've used a white acrylic paint to enhance the features of the face. This step is to basically add that highlight and dynamism. Well, we are done. Put these on your desk and you are good to go.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down your views below on what you think could have been different, or if you are going to try it or not. And please share this video with your friends and peers, family, everybody that you know. Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, where I post some amazing reels on different topics, and there's also content that I won't post here, so it's just Insta exclusive. So head over to my Instagram page. The link is in the description box below. You can check out much more videos there as well, and those are very short, so not gonna take a lot of your time as well. That is it from my side. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.